Sorry.
Hello. I plan to go 1 or 2, maybe 3 places. Then I start going, I was hitting everywhere. And I'm like, you know what? I mapped it out really quick. I'm going to go to 10 places, 11 places. Well, after I got done doing that, I went back and did the same 3 things that were good very first part of the morning. So, I'm just making this video. This is only 1 day, so I should be able to do it pretty quick. Right, this is the last thing that I got. Went back out to the big T. Lady squashed my box, put freaking milk on it, and smashed it. Freaking bag. How do you not know how to bag? Alright, so what is that? Score, hanger boxes with purple pecked Pied Pipin' pieces of peepin' pepper puss. With purple parallels is what it said. Alright. That's one. I had to. It was Deadpool popping out of a birthday cake. So I just had to do it. I just had to. It's the second one I've ever bought. Alright. I don't remember. Oh, okay. I know where this was. I got Cheetos Crunchy. Alright. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, and boom. Alright, these are just the border of New York, Pennsylvania. That's where I got these, the border. I thought there were chillers in there too. I guess I was wrong. No, it says it right here. Poke, poke, star, 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 Cheetos. Oh, here they are. I was going to say, I knew I got 2 chillers. She says, do you care which ones? I'm like, pick whatever you want. I wanted her to pick this one, and she did, so. Yeah. All right. Good enough. All right. She seemed pretty nice, though. What was her name? Diane. Matter of fact. I thought maybe when they punched in, their name came up on the... I don't see it, so maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, I'm not sure. Alright. I got these 2 done. Alright. So yeah, I got stuff at 13 out of the 14 places I went to. And of course, the one place I didn't get anything was, where do I never get anything? Taylor. This, believe it or not, I thought I struck out again up in Middletown. I went over and I was like, that's gonna be crap. They had freaking Star Wars blaster boxes. I couldn't believe it. And I forget which store I got these at. Oh, I think I got these up at Dixon City. They're the Chilling Fate blister packs. I put a whole bunch of different stuff that I got in this one. A whole bunch of stuff in this bag. Some more chillers. That's the red guy. Red guy that looks like a chicken. That gigantic chicken. And this is the black knight, black horse thing, whatever it is. Alright. My buddies Gary and Justin showed me these like 3 weeks ago. I never got them. And then I saw them yesterday, so I grabbed two. Okay, oh, here's from another. This is from another place. Where did I get two score footballs? Oh, this was Monticello. This is good, but this was the worst. I've gone to Monticello like 5 or 6 times. That was the worst trip ever up there. I mean, shit, I got better stuff at Middletown. No offense to the Packs. And two of the black horses again. I don't know what that guy's called. But yeah, this was, which Target was this? Oh, this is the Dixon City one. Oh, they were dead up there. They were cleaned out. That's why. I was gonna say I don't even remember. I remember now. Yeah, there was absolutely nothing left. I got like 8 stores in one bag. But every time I go to the border, not only do I get cards, but I get Star Wars stuff. They always have Star Wars stuff there. Always. Alright. Wilkes-Barre Target. Second time. I did not want to do that for 3 reasons that I could think of off the top of my head. One, I could buy them cheaper at Dave and Adams. They're having a special on them. 2, they're Gestapo Nazi assholes. And 3, I wanted to see them sit there the whole week and no one buy them, just to be a dick. But I went back. I wait till you see these Chronicle Soccers. Alright, and I also got these. They're such idiots. Oh, you could only get 2. You could only get 2. Every time I go, I get 2 Pokemons and 2 sports. And I probably could get 2 Pokemons, 2 football. I'm sorry, 2 soccer, and 2 hockey if I want. I never tried it yet. I'm trying not to spend as much money too, so. Oops. Alright, a different store. This is Boltwund. Where did I get this? Rain. Who gives out 3? Oh, never mind. I thought it was 3 things. The Skittles. Okay, I'm gonna say Wilkes-Barre Walmart, right? Yep, Wilkes-Barre Walmart. This was at $834.54. This was my second time there. $834.54. I really didn't want to get those tins, those hockey tins from Target. I didn't want to spend money there. I really don't like spending money there. You'll laugh about the first time I went there. I'll save that for last. Oh, shit. Yeah, I guess I'll tell you the story. That was at 1 o'clock, a little bit after 1. So, the Dixon City Walmart, if you could score there, you could score anywhere. It's up to you. New York. New York. Chores. Green Lantern. That was up at, yeah, I'm gonna say. Anyways, see this? I went up to Taylor. There was nothing. Well, I could have waited in line to get Hockey Sticker and Pokemon, but I refused to wait. But that chiller thing, that's probably along with this. Eldegoss. I think this was Tunkhannock. Early in the morning, Eldegoss. No, because I got Stadium Club there early in the morning. Oh, this is Wilkes-Barre. It was the very first place I went to. 9:50 in the morning. So I got Eldegoss tin and Eldegoss tin. Shit, I got all the tins today except for Cramorant. Alright, so anyways, gotta be 3 different things in here. Okay, so here's the first time I went to Wilkes-Barre Target. They had a ton of these, so I grabbed 2. They had and I got 2 of these. You can't take one of 2. You only have 2 things. 2 Pokemon, 2 supplies, 2 sports. Wait till you see this. So I go there. They have over 100 of these. There had to be like 120 of these. I was counting. They had 4 hanger rows of these. 30 on each row at least. So 120 of these, right? I went there. So it had to be right around 10 o'clock in the morning. $10:05. Boom! I never seen these before. Chronicles soccer packs. 5 cards per pack. There's 3 packs. It's sort of like the Prism things the Prism football, Prism basketballs that they used to make like that with the red, white, and blue with the disco circle things. Well, guess what? I was like, oh, good, I'll have to come back and get 2 of those, 2 more of them. That's why I wound up buying those 2 tins, because everything, I mean, everything. They had these Chronicle soccer things, they had tons of hockey, they had, they must have just restocked today. They had Pokemon out the Yin Yang, and they had something else. And they had a whole bunch of stickers, sticker albums, sticker boxes, sticker packs. So they had all this stuff. I went back after I got done doing my 10-11 store tour. all 120 of those. You're going to tell me